from South Africa. The founder of Light of Life Ministry, and I've been wandering all over different channels and different places. I traveled some countries in Africa. I began to see testimonies about Bethel anointing on the TV, and it was my desire to come. I was informed about Life Haven, then I came through. In my intention, I was always saying, all I need is the Bethel anointing oil. But to my surprise, the man of God surprised me today. Really, I was so surprised. As he was speaking, I could feel he was talking deep down inside my heart.
There is a place that you visit, and you must know, without even an encounter with the prophet, without even you talking to him, just talk to the God of that place. You being present, just you being present, you know, it's done. It's done.
And as he was walking, looking in my eyes, I could feel he's talking direct to me. He's addressing me. He was like he's there for me. He has come to minister to me. I couldn't even really realize that there are many people that were around. All I could feel was it is me that he is talking to. It is me that he has come through for. At the mentioning of every word he said to my life today, I feel so triumphed, and I feel so amazed, and I feel much joy, and I have so much faith to believe that since that time he touched my hand, I realized I was just lying down and I was uttering in new tongues, and I could not stop my lips. They could keep on moving and moving, and I was so amazed. I could even see a vision that amazed me. That moment I was lying down, I saw my future, and I was so blessed to have such an encounter. All I expected was to get the Bethel anointing and go back and flourish, but now I was given such a grace to hold his hand, the hand of the Lord, the hand of the prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. It is really a blessing to me, because I know out of my hand now there's gonna be good news throughout, and I can tell the environment, I can feel the atmosphere, watching miracles that were happening in the service. I feel leaping inside my heart. There's a gentleman I was with in this session. His arm had plaster because he had an accident. He could not move his hand or his fingers. I saw him from the day I arrived in this place. People of God, what amazed me is when Prophet entered the chapel, he was ministering and he approached the guy and spoke to this guy, and he began to declare. I could see the fingers that were not moving beginning to move. What really shocked me is, how does he do it? How is he able to join the bones that are broken, to join the hand that even doctors have to go in a process to do it? But only his words were able to make the hand move. So what amazed me is, what kind of anointing does he carry, that by his words, even anything can listen to him speaking and respond. Such an amazing anointing that the hand could respond to the voice of the prophet. And there was a lady among us. She was barren, and the prophet mentioned about barrenness. She began to manifest in receiving, and it was so prophetic that our bodies were able to respond at the voice of men of God. I could feel the touch inside my heart. It amazed me that my father keeps on becoming new and new every day. Is that man you cannot describe. You cannot have enough words to say, because what you think you know about him is not exactly what he is, because you amaze you. He comes in another dimension. He comes in another level. He comes in another angle. Looking at him, sometimes you ask yourself, is he human? Because I'm a minister, I'm a preacher, I do also deliverance, I pray for people. But there are certain things that are difficult for me. There are certain things that I struggle in my ministry. But with my father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, it seems like he has a certain level of agreement with God that he's been allowed to do as he wants. Because when he speak to situations, he speak as he please, and thereof miracles instantly begin to happen. It is difficult to lay a word on a man and to say you are healed and it instantly happens. We find it difficult in our ministration, in our times, in our days. I've been to places, I've been to Namibia, I've been to Zambia, I've been to South Africa, I've been to different countries, I've been to Botswana. But what I saw in this area in Life Haven, it is amazing. The welcome, even from the people working here, they are so friendly. You feel like you have found family. You feel like you have known them from a long time. This environment is so welcoming. Here, you feel joy because you feel at home. They do everything, and all you do is to relax and pray. So it's a place whereby if I could be asked what I want to stay at Life Haven my rest of life and just enjoy their hospitality and also enjoy the God of my father who is in this place, the God of Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. This environment is something, is that place, is that something you don't want to leave, you don't want to go. You feel like, can they add more days? Can they say come again? What I know, I'll keep on coming and coming in this place and keep on getting blessings and blessings. I want to urge you viewers across the world, wherever you are, Africa, America, Asia, come to Life Haven. There is a God speaking in this place. There is a walking God. There is a moving God. The God that can access himself and be able to come down and meet you. The most amazing miracle, it is me, that I was feeling him inside my heart. I could feel him talking to me. I could see that he is right on point in my case, in my situation. I'm the most amazing miracle to be in this environment. It is a miracle indeed. So I would like to urge you that stop wasting time sitting at home asking yourself, wondering what to do. Just say, God, I want to be there at Life Haven. Surely you'll see an amazing hand of Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, the anointed one of God. He is God walking on earth. This is that moment I would say, I don't need anymore to ask God for a sign. I don't need anymore to ask God to appear to me. He has already appeared through Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. God has already come to my existence and I've seen God. I could feel God so closely. This is what amazed me, and I'm so grateful for such an encounter.